Get ready to meet amazing emergency vehicles and see them rescue animals in trouble. This is a Coast Guard rescue boat. It can race across the waves to save people and animals. Let's see it in action.
Oh no! The dolphin is caught in seaweed and netting! It can't swim free! Help the dolphin!
Here comes the rescue boat, ready to help the dolphin.
The dolphin is free again. It swims and jumps happily beside the bright orange Coast Guard.
This is a heavy rescue truck. Its giant crane can lift and save animals in trouble. Let's see it in action.
Oh no! The elephant calf is stuck in the ditch and can't climb out!
It's trapped!
Here comes the heavy rescue truck, using its crane to lift the elephant calf to safety.
Yes, the elephant calf is safe on the ground again, thanks to the heavy rescue truck.
This is a rescue helicopter. It can fly to places where trucks and cars can't reach. Let's see it in action.
Oh no! The goat is stuck on a cliff ledge. It cannot climb up. It needs help fast.
Here comes the mountain rescue helicopter. A rescuer is rappelling down on a rope to help the goat. The goat is lifted off the cliff and carried to safety. Mountain rescue helicopters save lives in risky places.
This is a fire truck. It carries ladders, hoses, and firefighters to help when there's an emergency. Let's see it in action.
Oh no! The cat is stuck high in the oak tree! Up there!
Here comes the fire truck, and the firefighter climbs the ladder to reach the cat. Yes, the firefighter rescued the cat, safe and sound.
This is a police car. It helps keep the streets safe and rushes to emergencies. Let's see it in action.
Oh no! The ducklings want to cross the road, but the cars are moving so fast! They need help.
Here comes the police car. The officer is stopping traffic, making sure the ducklings can cross safely.
The ducklings made it safely across the road. The police car and officer kept them safe. Police cars protect people and even animals.
This is an airport fire truck. It's huge, powerful, and sprays water to stop fires near airplanes. Let's see it in action.
No! A bird is trapped on the runway, and there is fire nearby. It needs help quickly.
The airport fire truck blasts foam to save the bird.
The bird is free to fly again. The airport fire truck cleared the danger and saved the day.
All the animals are rescued and safe thanks to our amazing emergency vehicles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.